Okay, so don't be the first, don't be his first foot. Okay. Now here we go. So don't do anything stupid. They like children. Okay. They like you perfect size. Okay. And on the right there was a guy fishing here. Now he is history. So don't be the next one. Okay. If you want to cross the river safely, just take the route on our left. Okay. Now let's say hello to the people on the left first. Hello. Hello. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. The response. Okay. And don't forget about the people on our right also. Hello, hello. Okay, a few less English speakers on this side, no problem. Okay. Now, in front of us, there's the longest river in the world. Right in front of us, the elephant's mother and his baby. They are practicing with their trunk here. Okay. But no worries, it's not gonna get us wet. It's still a very young. You're afraid of elephants, no? No. Okay. On our right, look who's taking a shower. That's his brother. And check out all the wrinkles. I'm sure it has been taking shower for a very long time. This is not a good habit for your lovely children. In front of us, that's his father ahead, okay? Let's see what he's gonna do with us. He's gonna. Okay, I'm gonna stay. Okay, no. I think they're gonna keep us dry, okay? Let's move on. Look at these plates. Let's see what we have inside this piece of ruins, okay? Wow. Look at the giant spiders on our left. This is a very special species in Hong Kong Disneyland. If you stand up and walk around, they can jump onto your face. That can be really horrifying. In front of us, there's the temple of an Indian god of wisdom. And the two cobras, I believe, they are the security guards of the temple. Don't try to grab anything as your Lunar New Year present. Otherwise, they can bite you. They bite you. I don't have any doctor on board, and you better pray for yourself, okay? So, let's keep moving. Wow, a lot more crocodiles ahead. As I mentioned, don't swim in the river. They like children. Perfect size for them. One bites one kid. They will eat you like dumplings. Okay, so don't do anything stupid. Don't try to grab one of the crocodiles and make them like handbags or something. Alright. And look at the camp of Professor Porter. There are only gorillas in the house. Let's see what they're doing here. They're messing with the guns, the napkins, and the pans, and wow, the pistol. Not a good idea to mess with the guns. Okay, just leave them with the pistol. Okay. And in front of us, there are a lot more animals ahead. There are zebras, and behind them, the giraffe. They're having their buffet lunch or whatever. Okay. On our left, there's another African elephant also. Watch out. They don't really welcome us. That is right. So watch out. Whoa, we have some hippos inside. Watch out, guys. Let's not crash into any of them. Otherwise, my boat will turn upside down. Okay. One perfect thing on the right. Watch out. Okay. Another one. Another side. Okay. Impressive, bro. But look at these five guys. This is what can happen if you jump off my boat and go for a private adventure with a rhino pointing from a very good angle. So, what's going on here? Check out all the skulls. This might be the territory of the headhunters. Look at that, all the collection here. Okay, so let's not disturb them. Okay. Are you guys okay? Down to the back. Are you hit? No response? All dead already? Oh, I hope not. Okay. Let's head back to the dock. We'll head straight ahead and we'll be back in the dock very soon. Just what's going on? Hang on! I'm not going this way. Wow! We nearly went straight in. Oh no! This is the canyon of the gods. It's protected by God of fire and water. I think we should head back perhaps. Oh no! The path behind is blocked also. We're trapped in the canyon now. I'm not sure what the God of fire is gonna do with us now. Look at that. Clearly, it's gonna cook us alive. What do we do? Do we have any fire extinguishers to put out the fire? Look at that. The water is on fire. Let's get out of here. Oh no. Are you guys fine? Did anybody jump from my boat? Nobody jumped? We're fine now. kid. We are okay. Your skipper is fine. You are fine too. Okay. Luckily we are all safe, and now we have the dock in sight. Okay. But before we go back, let's say goodbye to the elephant baby. Bye bye. Alright, now before we go back, just a quick safety check. Just a reminder that you should keep your arms inside the boat, okay? Alright. Now, here we go. We're heading back to the dock. Just stay where you are until my boat is completely stopped. And when you leave, do not climb across the handrails, okay? They are designed for gorillas, okay? Just use the exits in the middle and at the back of the boat to leave, okay? And if you feel happy about the trip, remember my name. What's my name? Yes, there it is. Good memories, okay? I'm Benson. If you prefer a female skipper, then just call me Mary, okay? Now, the boat is stopped. It's time to say goodbye. Bye.